Hey y'all, I wanted to share how I packed my new Coach bag. And I don't know the name of this bag, y'all. This is my very first Coach bag from the retail store. My husband got it for me for Christmas, so I may have it in that video somewhere. But let me share with you everything that I packed. And I wanted to accessorize my bag using the dark Coach signature canvas accessories and then also black. And then I also used some of these clear pouches that I got off of Amazon to store some of my items as well. So here's like a quick pan over everything. And I have the medium corner zip wallet, the notebook, and the large corner zip wallet, and the mini skinny ID. So here is my toiletry bag here. And also in this bag, I have a nail file, manicure set, some off wipes, and some shout wipes. And then I have some sanitary wipes in here and also some soaps. So I also have these expandable washcloths here in this little tiny zip clear bag and some floss. And this is my little catch-all bag. I grab this bag all the time. So I put a chapstick in there, a lip gloss from Bath and Body Works, some eyeglass cleaner, and the cloths. In this bag, I have some lens wipes, two different kinds, some alcohol wipes. And then here, y'all, I have some Kleenex and my Tide pen in this bag here. And this is my large corner zip signature wristlet here. And then I also have the mini ID case in the signature canvas, dark brown. And this holds my business cards for like YouTube and stuff. And then in this little case, I carry my rewards cards and gift cards from TJ Maxx. I have my notebook, some sanitizer, my earbuds, and I got that case from Shein. And then I have some lotion here from Bath and Body Works. In this clear bag, I have mints and cough drops. So I always carry those with me. This little mesh heart bag came from Shein. And it has my breath spray, Altoids, bubble gum. I have some perfume and this little travel case. And then in this clear bag, I have all of my toilet items such as seat covers, poopery. I have some Lysol spray right to the right, and then some feminine wipes and a panty shield. So this is everything lined up in my purse. And it is a fairly large purse. I do like large purses, but when I put everything in it, it gets quite heavy. But I love all the pockets and it's organized. I love the quality of this bag. And this little charm came from Shein as well. And it is my very first bag from the Coach retail store. And I think it's so neat. So I'm grateful for this purchase that my husband got for me. And can't wait to try more from the retail store. So thanks so much for watching, y'all. Planners and purses. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.